A shipper company called R16, and it took like maybe 2 weeks. So let's open and see. There's bad smell coming from this package. Wire I made. I just made for protection. Anybody wants to laugh is free to do it. Well, this table stink. God. Whew. Bad smell. See, it's open. It is opened. Okay. So, that is the thing. Here. This is now empty. Let's throw it away. This is all in and it's opened. See, it is opened. Do you remember we have seen the same bag for the Movo video kit last time? Do you remember last time, my friends? I told you, if it is a drone inside, a careless thing to be sent to a customer. This one was opened like this. And the previous two boxes were actually awful. Let's go ahead and open. And what is this? Supposed to be the batteries, for example? I don't know. I waste my time and I waste my money for nothing. And my advice for you, if you find this on the YouTube, look at the name. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. This is a really bad way to cover those two batteries. Okay, let's review what's written in the description here and the exaggeration and the false information that is really recorded in here. This amazing quadrocopter was specifically engineered for extreme photo and video versatility, high dynamic range capability, and ultra high definition pictures video. This is all false. Easy and fun to fly. It is easier for newbies or beginners. That's also a false information. It's actually very difficult to manipulate. The fun of long flight. Each battery will provide approximately 12 minutes. That's not right. It gives only 10 minutes of flight time. Surprise! We will also provide 2 extra backup batteries. Okay, so additional spare batteries. Okay. And this is what? User manual. User manual for the fall technology Chinese drone. And do you think, my friends, that this camera here or this camera will be able to provide you with a good picture of Ultra 4K? I doubt that, but we will see that later. Okay, we'll go back to this later on, only to have fun about it, no more. Okay, so this is the this is for charging the batteries. Okay, that's all we got. Okay, remote control. And this is the drone that you got. Okay. So, all right, let's go to the next step. And there is a what? There is a battery inside. How to take it out? Push. All right, let's have a break, my friends, and come back to this to test and see. What is this for? Aha, this is good. Here we can hang on your phone. That's absolutely nice. Okay, we already have charged all these three batteries as fully, and actually we have studied the user manual, though it was a little bit difficult due to the mistakes and misleading errors on the manual itself. Okay, now we will just review these blades. These blades are spare blades. Some of them are written on them E1. Okay, so this is, for example, E1, and the same one here also for E. This is B1, but it's written on this one here. I hope you can see that. I don't see correctly, but I think this is E1. Anyway, 2 E1s and 2 B1. There's no E1 and E2. You see, only E1, B1. So E1, E1, B1, B1. Anyway, and you should just put them while replacing. Those are actually spare in case of emergency, or in case any of these blades has actually broke. You have B, and here you have also B. So there is no B1 or B2. Okay, actually there's no B, no B1. Also the same here is E, and here is E. So I don't see what is the wisdom if you're using number 1, E1, B1, etc., etc. Anyway, so, and we have also here those protectors, if you like, or fences, if you want, that you can use to protect your blades. So let's go ahead and install them like this. I don't know if this is correct or not. I hope yes. By the way, this will affect actually the drone itself. Anyway, this is the rear side and this is the front side. Okay. Number 2, we should obtain 3 batteries, AAA size, to be put in on this remote control. All right, just like this. The battery is not fitting inside correctly and nicely, but you have to push. Anyway, now it is inside. What a toy. So now turn this on, okay, and turn it on by long press. It's not turning on for some reason. Anyway, yes, it is turning on. Now you have to make the calibration by doing like this until the blink is gone. Okay, now it should be calibrated because you can see the LED light, right? Now if you do like this, simple like that. Good. So now we'll take it to the blankets behind me and we will test it there, okay?